Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The start stock price is in free fall, and I assume Hammer, right on its heels, also collapses. Maybe Pepper is able to save stock industries in the long-term market. The Iron Man movie's paid unstable CEO. He's depressed, swell, and if it couldn't get any worse for Tony, Elon Musk is there. This all culminates in the events of the Avengers, where your average Earth winning billions for the first time, and this has to be pretty crazy. It gave Tony Stark PTSD.
Lawyer really should have said, don't fucking do that, you know?
Someone should have gone to him and been like...
Someone should have said don't do that. And that along with, like, he's living there and he sold his house. I'm like, what is going on? If business is so good, why is he...
Exactly what you deserve.
My God! What the heck? Have you arrived at your appointment? It's almost time for your appointment. It's 2:53, bro. No. I can't.
Felt different to be followed about everywhere he went. There's more. Don't lie to me, brother. I know you too well. Adolin inspected his brother. His eyes were so earnest behind his spectacles.
Balancing out to a good meal.
The drinks were really good too.
Asshole! Man. Come on, bro.
No te digo nada, and you're like, I literally show you quién saqué, and you don't even tell me anything. Oh.
Yeah, because you suck. You have to know a balance.
God damn, bro.
Watch for rear collision.
That's what it was. What are you doing? What the f are you doing? I thought women shouldn't drive.
GPS connected.
that is smooth.
Jesus Christ!
Thanks for the chicken. Oh, he ran that red light just plain as day.
Sure did, didn't he?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.